Kaupod naton sa aton sinay nga persona ang isa ka makabig naton ehemplo sang kasi naton icon niya sa education sector. Siya nagserbisyo sa iyang kabuhi sa patag sa edukasyon. Nangin principal sa Negros Mission Academy, nangin kabahinan sa top management sa SIPAC. Kag sa karon makabig naton fully retired and enjoying life. Joining us, ang akong gid-abyan, kaupod ko sa Rotary Club of Bacolod, Mr. Marlou Ordonia.
Sir, good day!
Good day.
Oh, happy ko bless na hari ko di sa imo nga paradise nga tigaan mo kami sa mga namit nga prutas.
Nice visiting you
Thank you
here.
so much for being so
Please.
hospitable.
Yeah.
And I admire his work.
Yes.
Ginambal mo kag ginabala BFF. Ang tanan tungkol ginambal ni Sir nga mga parte sa kabataan, anong ginahimo nila. Sir, you know what? When we were inside the SIPAC, actually, may duwa to kalalaki nga bata nga nagambal na, Ma'am, happy Sabbath day.
Yeah.
You know, they're so polite.
Yes.
Sa inyo ang pagtuto, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Sir, how's life after long, several years of stint sa being a teacher?
Well, retirement is enjoyable one, especially if you are busy with your hobby, especially gardening,
Wow,
and
yeah.
then planting trees and harvesting. And of course, we are happy here in our area because we have what we call Jolly Seniors Club.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is this Jolly Seniors?
All retirement that is living just here around. We have
Kanami,
our club and we are meeting every Wednesday.
Okay.
We bring food and then we enjoy talking each other. That is every Wednesday. We have our fellowship. We just cut during the pandemic, but now we resume it because of no more problem.
Briefly tell us about your family.
My wife and I have only one son who is now working at Kaiser Hospital in
US?
California.
Wow.
He's in LA right now.
He's a nurse.
He's a nurse.
Just like your wife.
Yeah, just like my wife.
Okay.
He's working there for more than 6 years already in the hospital
Okay.
as a nurse.
Sir, ano ang imong ma-advise sa mga retirees to make life still very meaningful and on the go?
And useful.
Yes.
Productive.
Well, in the internet you have a lot of advices for the seniors. Number one, spend your money wisely. Okay? And always enjoy with fellow retirees. And then never have a stress in your life because you already don't worry about your children because they have their own family. So according to one of the advices, if you have your lump sum money, do not give it all to your children and then save it for the rainy days.
So, anong difference na sa pag-retire niyo, dili ka mo nag-star, malapit sa
Nature gate.
nature gate, no? Pag I've been witness kung paano man naging sugdan ang imong mga garden. So, anong kinalain nga nadulot sila sa lawas ko?
Well, in the first place, we have two houses, one in Bacolod City in Tacolin and one in here. First, we prepare here that only weekend. So we build this house, a small house only for a weekend. But later on when we were here, we found out it's cooler and then free from stress,
More relaxing.
relaxing. You can plant anytime you want to plant. Even late in the evening, you are still planting here.
And we enjoyed your fruits.
Yeah.
Ang imo, ang ipangabudlayan mo, Sir Marlou,
Yeah,
na marang.
have you
Lansones.
Lansones na isa.
Ano pag ito, kadamo.
Okay.
Mamit.
Share ko sa amon briefly. Nga nag-COVID ka mga duwa. Ano tabo di sa inyo mga duwa?
First, we are free from COVID because we didn't go out here. We don't even entertain visitors from abroad.
Yeah.
But I had to go down because of my vehicle to be smoke for smoke emission.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not my agency said in Bacolod is hard, but you got go to Bago City. So I went to Bago City, and from there, after 3 days, I feel itchy, itchy in my throat, and so immediately I went to Bangsi
Nagpa-admit ko na.
and found out that I was positive. So I was admitted. Then check nila sa misis na positive man. So both of us are admitted in hospital for 5 days. Yeah, to my fellow retirees, one of the advice is, in our years, coming years, whether short or long, what the first thing we do is connect ourselves with God. Let us always pray for good health, and let us free from any sickness by eating good food, vegetables, and fruits. Then sleep well, then relax. Okay.
And listen to good music.
Listen to good music. Okay. And watch TV during free time and enjoy life. Okay. Then do some planting. Especially
Look at this.
flowers so that you're stressless.
Yes.
It becomes stressless if you plant, especially if it blooming like this.
Wow!
Okay.